Hola guys. I went to I'm going vegan for today, y'all. Look at this. Plant-based ice cream, organic root beer, all vegan, raw hair. It's even saying, "Oh, welcome to the party." Let's taste it. Ooh, that's nice. I just looked up on the way home vegan restaurants, and I've never heard of this place. It's called Plant Power. It has a full menu of just yumminess. And since I'm going vegan for a week and I'm hungry, I decided to pull over. Quite pricey. I got a combo, which was with fries, root beer float, all vegan, side of ketchup, free, ranch, 50 cents, and the chipotle, 50 cents. I got something that's called a Big Zac. It's supposed to mimic the Big Mac, and it's a plant-based burger. So let's check these out. My God, that burger looks huge. Well, I'm gonna wash my digits really quick. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. This guy was gonna walk up to my car right now. All right, phalanges. Phalanges clean. Okay, so here are the fries. Oh, prayer time. Amen. Okay. Oh my gosh. This menu. These are just regular fries, but they have something called voodoo fries. These are Kennebec potatoes, freshly cut, never frozen. They have something called voodoo fries, loaded with secret sauce, secret vegan cheese, and grilled onions. What I got, burger, I got the Big Zac. 2 sizzled patties, vegan. Special sauce, American cheese, of course vegan. Lettuce, onions, and pickles. It's supposed to make a Big Mac, so. And the sauces! Got ketchup. And this is a ranch. So let's try this. What is that? Nothing. Mmm. Oh my God. Oh my God. Mmm. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Oh my God. However, I don't know the calorie count in any of this. Plant-based. See this burger. Look at this. The Big Zac. That's a big burger. It's got a vegan patty. It's got lettuce, pickles, secret sauce. Yeah, a little bit too much lettuce for my liking. All right, let's taste this. Oh my God. I don't know why this makes me happy. Watch me gain all kinds of weight. Being vegan for a week. Mmm. Okay. So that is pretty good, actually. I have this, which I want ketchup actually. let's get this and taste it. Oh, that smells delicious. Mmm, that's homemade ketchup. Sorry, I keep getting a call. This is not, this is homemade. That's really good. Okay. I would have got this one, the buffalo sandwich, crispy battered vegan buffalo breast, ranch dressing, vegan, lettuce and tomato. Yummo. All right. Let's put this over here. Let's grab Zach back. That's kind of big though. Let's get a really good bite. And you can pick from the vegan meat patties or the bean patties. I haven't been here before, so which one do you recommend? Set on this, for sure the meat one, the vegan plant-based meat one. What? Keep getting calls through. Put the ketchup right here. And these fries are delicious. Okay. Southwest avocado wrap. And the prices are not bad. Like, at all. I mean, as far as this is kind of pricey. Let me back up. If you don't go getting the Rupert floats and the fries, you can get this here is like $8, I think. No, wait. The float was $5.50. So you see what I'm saying? That kind of added to it. I just wonder how much calories it is. It doesn't say it on here. These fries are good. They got something called the Holy Guacamole, the Rambler. These are burgers. The Wake and Bake, the Mushroom Swiss, Handheld Fish Fillet, Kale Chicken Wrap. They have tons of desserts, tarts, floats. Tell me if y'all have this where you live. Wow. Oh man, that sauce on my shirt. It ain't a good burger if it is not all up in your face. I can't tell that that's not meat. Maybe because there's so much bread. I don't know. Pickles. And this ranch sauce. I'm trying to hone in on the taste. Oh no, but it's freaking good. And I'm full now. What? Dip it in some ketchup. And this is the closest to my house. About 40 minutes. No. Half hour. I was going to go do the vegan, I was going to make the burger at home. Because I already bought some. Ah! No! Hold on, guys. Hold on. That fell. Oh well. That's right. All right. Yum. So, if you guys do have one of these nearby, let me know what's your favorite thing to eat. They got salads too. Let me get a little ranch over here. And Dunky in the ranch. Gotta go, guys. I'm getting a phone call I have to take. I love you guys. Toodle noodles, hasta pasta, later, gator. I'll tell you more about this later. Bye, guys. Hola, guys. Vegan lunch. Wish I would have brought some jalapenos. Jalapenos. I showed you guys this earlier. I bought some ketchup. I got the vegan chicken strips. Ketchup. And this one is the, I told you guys this earlier, no artificial sweeteners. No fructose corn syrup in this. It's pretty basic. I just got my nuggets. So prayer. Let's get our prayer on. Alright, guys. Kind of burnt that one. It's funny, one side is crispy and the other side's not so crispy. Alright, let's taste. Tastes like a nugget to me. Crispy and crunchy. I have banana. For breakfast. This is my burnt one. That's alright. One side's burnt and the other side's not. That's pretty good. Like, I don't know, this is not chicken. would be better with some cream cheese, jalapeno. However, regular chicken, I can have 2 or 3 and be like, oh my god, almost made there's 3 pieces left in the bag. I think the serving size is 2. Don't quote me on that though. So I couldn't just eat 2 of these. I just want to see how I feel. For theory. Like, am I going to feel better? Or am I going to lose weight? I'm going to put a piece of chicken or cheese in my mouth today. I was like, no, I'm not doing it. If you don't stand for something, you're going to fall for everything. And what is 1 week? I might love the results. Tonight I'm having that plant-based burger. I hope I can have my tots. I have to see what's in the ingredients. These are pretty good. Ketchup tastes pretty good too. Tomatoes, red ripe tomatoes, vinegar, sugar cane, salt, onion powder, spice, and natural flavorings. No high fructose corn syrup, no GMO. I think I read this earlier to you guys. I don't even know. I really was trying to look for some ranch dip. Some vegan ranch dip. Found the ketchup. I mean the mayonnaise. You're good. I really like them. No hate at all. That coffee now, on the other hand, was disgusting. Oh man, that was good. I just don't know about eating almost a whole bag. What was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces? That can't be good. If we're going by serving sizes. But I have an orange for later for a snack. And then I will use my skillet to cook up that plant-based burger. And then I have to look because I have some wheat bread and I have to see if there's anything in there. So we shall see. Love you guys. Toodle noodles, pasta later, gator. Big meatball loves and hugs. Toodles!